today's world. Actually, a lot of suffering we human beings facing. This very moment we are enjoying here, enjoying more peace, joyfulness, but same time, same human being, same planet, thousands are killing. Thousands are dying due to starvation, like Yemen and Syria. So in Africa, some state in Africa, a lot of sort of problems. These are our own creation. So if present sort of was the condition of the world with modern education, I think this 21st century will be same century, that of 20th century. A lot of killing, use violence, use force. Now, already now there are sign sort of selling weapon and to produce more weapon. These are preparation for more violence, more killing. Now we human beings should be enough now. 20th century, so over 200 millions of human beings killed through violence. Now we should feel enough. Now, at previous time, individual community, even individual community, they are more or less self-sufficient. So therefore, destruction of your neighbor is victory of yourself. Now today's world, no longer there. Whole world, East, future of East depend West. West depend East. North depend South. South depend North. That's today's reality. Then on top of that, the global warming. So these are a new problem which facing with humanity, not one particular nation. Now time come, we need through education, make awareness of 7 billion human beings, one human community. Now the religion itself not adequate. Out of 7 billion human beings, about 1 billion non-believer. So among the 6 billion believer, also there are some believer, you see, they use religion for disposal of destructive emotion. That's why in name of religion, killing each other. Now in Afghanistan, in Syria, this area. So it's really very sad. All these major religious tradition is ultimate source of teaching of love, forgiveness, tolerance. But that itself now causing violence, killing. Very sad, very sad. Now these, I think we are lacking conviction about basic human value. That's a human love. Since our basic nature is more compassionate. So now education should include the teaching, the human love, human warm-heartedness.